What's going on, guys? Just thought I'd do a quick walk around of my dad's mud bog truck. I don't know what year it is, but it's an old GMC, jacked up with tractor tires. Got stacks in the box. Got the racing transmission, spare parts from when you used to race it. As you can see, it sits pretty tall. Used to be the one pulling everybody out of the holes. Now, here's something that's true. Makes me laugh every time. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're supposed to get it running sometime this summer, so I'll keep you guys updated on this. Thanks for watching.